Hi, today I'm going to talk about how to create a virtual server in Amazon AWS. First, we need to log into our AWS account. Then, in the search bar, you have to search EC2 and select the EC2 option. And make sure we are in the region as United States, North Virginia. The code is US-East-1. Then we have to click on Launch Instance. We have to enter the name for our virtual server. I'm giving the name as instance 1. The next one is the OS. We have to select our OS. For selecting the OS, we have the Amazon Machine Image. So here we have to select Windows or Ubuntu or Mac OS based on our requirements. I'm selecting Windows. Next, we have to select the instance type. Instance type is nothing but the capacity of our server. Here it will give only the CPU and the RAM, and by default maximum 30 GB storage. Here we have to select T2 micro. For some reason it will display only T3 micro. For me it's displaying only T3.micro, so I'm selecting that one. Then this is the key pair. Again we have to create a key pair. It's a kind of security. Already I have created a key pair, so I'm using the same key pair for this instance also. Then next one, the network settings. You have to click on edit. In the subnet, in the firewall you have to say, click on, select create security group. Here subnet availability zone, we can keep it as no preference. And the auto and public IP we can keep it as enable. And here the number of instances should be 1. Then the firewall you have to select the create security group, and the group name we have to enter any name. So I'm entering AWS class NB SD. And here the type should be RDP. As I said earlier, the number of instances should be 1. And by default we have a 30 GB storage space. Then you have to click on launch instance. So now click on launch instance. So we got the success message. Then you have to, you can click on this instance or you can click on these instances. Whatever you have created is displayed over here. Then you have to select the instance and click connect. Then we have to click on RDP client. And then click get password. Once we click on get password, we have to upload our private key, which is already downloaded. So this is our latest key pair. So select that one. Then the key will be uploaded. We have to click on decrypt password. So here we got the messages password description successful. So next we have to open the remote desktop. So here we have in the computer section we have to enter our public DNS. So just copy that public DNS and paste it here in the computer. Then I click on connect. So here the username is administrator and password is this one. I just copy paste from here and enter it over here. Then click OK. So now click on yes. So the connection is happening now. So now we have created our first virtual server with the Windows OS. So now we are able to see our virtual machine which have Windows OS. Thank you.